If you've ever needed to work without internet, this video is going to help a lot. Today I'm showing you how to use Google Drive files offline, so you can open, edit, and keep working on your recent documents even when your connection drops. This is perfect for travel, school, office work, or anywhere Wi-Fi is unreliable. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. All right, let's get into it. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're in your Drive, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. Click that gear icon, and from the menu, choose Settings. This is where Google Drive keeps several important options, including offline access. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Offline section. Scroll if needed until you see the option that allows you to create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. Go ahead and check that box. This step tells Google Drive that you want your recent files to be available even when you lose internet access. After enabling it, click Done to save your settings. Now, that setting gives you offline access for recent files, but you can also make specific files available offline manually, which is really useful if there's a document you know you'll need later. To do that, go back to your Google Drive file list and find the Docs, Sheets, or Slides file you want. Right-click on that file to open the Options menu. From there, click Available Offline. Once you do that, Google Drive will begin syncing the file to your device so it can be opened without an internet connection. Depending on the file size and your connection, you may need to wait a moment for the sync to finish. After it's synced, that file will be ready whenever you need it offline. One important tip is to make sure you set this up while you still have internet access, because you cannot enable offline mode after you've already gone offline. It's always best to prepare in advance, especially if you know you'll be on a plane, in a remote area, or anywhere without steady service. Another thing to remember is that offline access works best when you use the same browser and stay signed in to the same Google account on the same device. If you switch browsers or devices, you may need to turn the setting on again. So to quickly recap, open Google Drive, go to Settings, enable offline access in the Offline section, and then right-click any important file and mark it as Available Offline. That way, your work stays accessible even without Wi-Fi. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical Google Drive tips, tech tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.